Hi internet friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Lee here. Today is an update video of Low Buy 2024. I used to purchase second-hand impulsively a lot. In 2024, I'm practicing low buy to slow down my consumption. Now it's in the middle of June and I haven't bought anything in June. Today I'm going to share with you 4 things I'm doing to stop me from shopping or want to shop. The first thing is spend time on hobbies or activities which bring me joy and content. I realized that online shopping is just an instant satisfaction. It's different from hobby. My favorite hobbies are running, journaling, and gardening. They bring me long-term satisfaction and happiness. I used to shop online, browsing on the phone when I feel stressed and tired or bored. Now, because my youngster kids is also in the nursery, during the week I have 2.5 days have free time, so I'm able to be more relaxed and enjoying the peace and quietful time and doing what I like to do, and doing journaling and running and gardening. So I'm so happy and relaxed and content that I don't want to buy or shopping any clothes. So this is the first point. Replacing shopping with hobbies. The second thing I'm been doing is doing some meaningful projects, and so I'm busy with these projects that I don't want to shopping anymore. At the moment, my projects are 2. One is gardening, make our garden more beautiful and tidy up the garden. And the second project is decluttering inside our house and decorate the house. For example, paint the walls. And now third point is I'm doing actually in a whole year wearing what I already have in my wardrobe. Just try to be more creative, styling over shopping. These days I find myself what I like to wear is just a pair of lining trousers, a top, then I put a shirt over it, or a t-shirt and lining trousers. So I like this comfortable and but still put together outfits, and I wear them again and again, and I'm outfit repeater, and I'm proud of myself to be an outfit repeater. The last but not the least point to stop me from shopping is selling or try to selling my clothes. I don't want to keep in my wardrobe. I used to selling on eBay, and now I start selling a few items again, a few clothes again, and because it takes time and effort to make photos and listing and write the description, the amount of work, and then it takes time again to sell, or the item may not be sold. Then I value more the clothes I already have, because when to try to sell, then it reminded me, oh, how much money I spent when I bought this piece of clothing. Now I want to sell, and it's a fraction of money I could get back. And when I sold something and I got that money, and I feel, oh, it's a hard-earned money, I should consider seriously what I'm going to spend on it if I want to buy something. Yeah, that's is a reflection during my low buy 2024. These 4 things stop me from shopping. Let's recap it. The first thing is spend time on hobby and to replace the online shopping. The second is spend time and energy on some meaningful projects. And the third point is wearing what I already have in my wardrobe. And the fourth point is just try to sell the clothes or items I don't want to own anymore. Yeah, that's what I would like to share. And what about your tips to slow down the consumption, or the tips to stop you from buying more clothing and handbags? Please share in the comments down below. I'd like to hear from you. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Until next video. Bye.